Welcome to My Private CEO, where we help you step by step to reach your wealth goals. You may be saying to yourself, no one can make me wealthy. And you are correct, because we can't. But what we can do is help you acquire the tools and skills to accelerate the wealth building process. And more importantly, we provide a roadmap through our proprietary Reason wealth development system that we use to help tens of thousands reach their goals. Most people put their hopes into a get-rich-quick scheme. But did you know that over 75% of people in these programs actually lose their money? Why? It's because it's founded on the misconception that one big thing can make you rich. But guess what? The rich don't even rely on this. On average, a wealthy person has 7 streams of income. Would it be fair to say that you're behind schedule? Well, then let's change that now. No more programs with false promises. No more being confused about your path. No more getting denied. And no more spinning your wheels and feeling like you're not getting ahead. Learn what's missing to get to the next steps and to the next level. And let My Private CEO help you be the CEO of your life and your future. Don't just hope to be rich, learn to be rich. No one gets wealthy overnight or by chance. It takes a huge amount of time and effort to change your life. This is the membership for people that have that vision. A curriculum that helps you prioritize what to focus on, coaching with experienced professionals that can show you the ropes, a private Facebook community with like-minded individuals, and a bundle of resources, assessments, videos, articles, and links that can help you learn and master the financial arena. Sign up today, and we'll see you at the top.